Okay, all, Christmas will arrive this Thursday with the lighting of the Christmas lights in Medellin, Colombia. Want to know the details? Follow along.
Hey, you watching, man? Right now, you're watching DC Born Rob on YouTube.
Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever it is you're located. Thanks for watching. You're watching DC Born Rob Erasing Borders. I'm DC Rob. If you are heading to Medellin, Colombia, or you are there, either you're an expat or you're a visitor and you happen to be there during this time of year, the Christmas lights will be lit this Thursday in Medellin, Colombia. I went last year for the first time, so what I'm going to do is read this quick story for you and run some video from my visit last year. Christmas will arrive this Thursday with the lighting of the Christmas lights in Medellin. The official lighting will take place in the Parques del Río Medellín sector with a show by the Medellín Philharmonic Orchestra, which will perform some classic Disney pieces. Christmas is felt in Medellin on Thursday night as the lights will be turned on. That will officially begin the end of the year celebration with an event in which there will be several musical and entertainment shows. The event, which will have free admission for all who want to be there, will begin at 6 p.m. in the afternoon with a technological drone show, and later the Medellín Philharmonic Orchestra will perform some of Disney's musical pieces. Finally, the 27,000 figures that will be located in this sector in the Medellin River corridor and in the parks of the 16 communes and the 5 townships of the city will be lit. The images that will decorate the city until January 8th were made by 200 artisans, mostly mothers who are heads of families. The centrality of the lights, which is the node of Parque del Rio and the Medellin River, will have the figures of the legendary Disney characters and some alluding to a new movie, Wish, The Power of Wishes, and the reason will be in the anniversary of the American producer. Thus, visitors will be able to enjoy characters such as Dumbo, Bambi, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Cinderella, and other iconic figures that are remembered by all generations. For the use of these images, EPM paid Disney $1.383 million to sign an agreement for the intellectual property rights to use the different characters. On La Playa Avenue, Las Palmas, Junin, and Tram Route, Carrera 70, and neighborhoods and townships, the decoration this December will be related to traditional Christmas and the natural wonders of Colombia. In total, there will be 41 points that Medellin residents and tourists will be able to visit to enjoy this traditional end-of-year attraction that takes place in Medellin and is celebrating its 56th version. Christmas has already started in Envigado. On Friday night, they turn on their lights. Starting this Thursday, the Christmas lights will be turned on every day between 6 p.m. and 12 p.m. until January 8th, as announced by EPM. The idea of EPM and the Mayor's Office of Medellin is that these lights are visited by more than 8 million people, including the city's inhabitants and tourists from all over the world. In 2022, 7.5 million people came to enjoy them, leaving an economic benefit of 36.9 million pesos. Simultaneously, the Christmas lights will be turned on in 14 municipalities of Antioquia that benefited from the Encendamos la Alegría program, which will be located in Taraza, Butilia, Liborina, Abroletes, Carmonata, San Pedro de Uraba, Yolombo, Nechi, Valparaiso, Caracoli, Jerico, Cisneros, Toledo, and Campamento. The theme will be the culture and characters of each of these municipalities. As far as the Aver Valley corresponds, Envigado, Sabaneta, and La Estrella have already turned on their lights. While this Thursday, they will also light Christmas in Bejo and Itigui. Caldas has its schedule for this Friday, and Copacabana will do it on Saturday. The last to illuminate its municipalities will be Barbosa, which has all its activities scheduled for August 7th, while Herodota decided not to install Christmas for the second year in a row. So there you go. You're up to date with the latest details as far as the Christmas light show. It's a big deal. Just like the Flower Festival, a lot of people are going. Okay, how many million people did they say are going to see these lights? So it's a big deal for them. Anyway, I hope they benefit financially from it. You guys need to stay safe, obviously. Again, won't fish in a barrel, so stay safe. Remember to travel, but travel safe.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant day.
Headed to Medellin, Colombia? See my guy Andres with Nomad Travel for safe airport pickups and drop-offs and tours. Contact information in the description below.